Hello viewers. Today I will be teaching how to add photo into text using Photoshop. So, let's start. First open a new document having size of 1920 by 1080 pixels, keep resolution as 300 pixels per inch. Now select the text tool. Select color as black. Type the word you want. You can choose any font style of your choice. Now, to adjust the size of text press Ctrl+T, then increase the size of text. Now drag and drop the image into Photoshop. Increase its size according to the text size so the image can fit into the text. Now right-click on the image layer, then click on the Create Clipping Mask option. Drag the image to make it look like perfect. Right-click on the image layer and select Rasterize Layer option. Now go to Image, Adjustment, Levels and adjust the levels to make the image look more dramatic. Add a new solid color layer. Here you can pick any color of your choice for background. You can change the background color anytime by double-click on the color layer. Now select the text layer. Press Ctrl+T, and adjust the height of the text. After that, double-click on the text layer, then select the stroke option. Keep the size at 3 and color white. We are done here. Let's have a look at final output. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more such tutorials.